Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to permanently remove 360 total security from your Windows 11 system, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the cleanest and most direct method to uninstall it completely. Let us get started. First, it is always a good idea to close the antivirus if it is running in the background. Go to your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the 360 total security icon and select Quit or Exit. Now go to your Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Press Enter to open it. In the Control Panel window, look under the Programs category and click on Uninstall a Program. Scroll down your list of installed software until you find 360 Total Security. Click on it once to select it and then click the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. The software uninstaller will now pop up. Click Next. You will see a screen asking why you want to uninstall. Simply select the option that says I do not need it and then click Uninstall. A final confirmation box will appear. Click Uninstall once more to confirm and begin the removal process. Allow the uninstaller a few moments to run. Once it is completely finished, I highly recommend restarting your computer. Restarting ensures that any leftover temporary files or registry keys are fully cleared from your system. And that is it. Your computer is now free of the software. If this quick guide helped you out, please take a second to drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, no-nonsense tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.